everyone, welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, now you know. And you guys, today we're going to be looking at a brand new Morphe palette. I'm very excited about it. It is the 35V. So yes, you guys, I did pick this palette up the other day when I went to Ulta, and this was the last one that they had. So I went ahead and snagged it off of that shelf, and I'm very excited about it. I've seen this palette, I believe Nikki Tutorials used it in one of her videos recently, I think. Don't quote me on that. But we are going to be doing a tutorial today, basically an eye tutorial using this new palette. If you've not seen the palette, here it is right here. Here is the front of it. It's literally just the same as all the other Morphe packagings. This stark black or matte black with the white Morphe logo. And then when you open it, you have the little name flaps. So these colors do have names. They're just not on the actual palette. They're on this little flap here. But here is what the actual shades look like. How stunning are you? I love it. I'm obsessed with these blues over here. That's probably the reason that I got it. But then these browns are super nice as well. This cranberry shade, these purples, they're all just stunning. I'm so excited. This shade right here, what is it called? It is Heartbreaker. I'm obsessed with that shade, and I think I may use that one today with the eye look we're going to do. I don't know what the eye look is yet because I never know. I never come prepared. But yeah, you guys, if you would like to see the look that we do with this palette, then keep on watching. So I have already primed my eyes. As you obviously know, I use the Urban Decay Primer Potion. I actually got another primer from the company Bad Habit, and I forgot to use it, so I'll have to use that one next time. But I did pick up some of their brushes. They actually came in like a set, and I didn't know it came in this cute little carrying case. So this is the company called Bad Habit. I've reviewed some of their stuff before. They have really, really great eyeshadow palettes. They do like dupes. So like they have one called the Athena palette, which is a dupe for the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette. They have one, like the new one, that's called the Luna palette, and it is a dupe for the Norvina from Anastasia. They have wonderful shadows. So they came out with brushes not too long ago. They're brand new. Oh, let's hear that again. I love that sound. So they came out with brushes not too long ago, and here they are. And I'm going to go ahead and use these today. I've never used them before. I've only unpackaged them. So I'm going to give them a shot. They feel great. So there's 1 through 8. Yeah, so there's 1 through 8. And as you can see, there's like a nice fluffy brush. There is a smaller kind of blender. A even like smaller one, more tapered one. It's not even in focus. And then a flat brush, a smaller kind of, I am so bad at describing these. More of like a flat shader brush for like the crease. This one is a really, really fine tapered one. A tiny smudger brush, and this one looks to be like an eyebrow brush. So we're going to go ahead and use these with the look today. So I suck at using different brushes sometimes. Like I'm stuck on my Morphe brushes because I've used them so much and they just work for me. I don't know what it is, but I'm going to venture out, try something new. But let's get into it. I have just literally just been sitting here just blabbing away. So like I said before, I really want to use this Heartbreaker shade right here. It just looks so freaking pretty. I really want to use that. I don't know how to really incorporate it though. Maybe we should kind of keep our look more simple today, because I feel like I do a lot of more bold, kind of like in your face look. So maybe we'll keep it a bit more simple today and just do something a little more neutral, kind of toned down. So let's go ahead. I'm going to take the Bad Habit brush. This is the number 2 brush. It's a very large fluffy shader, if you can see that right there. And we're going to go into the shade Go Nude. This is the one right here. Boop boop. Right there. It's called Go Nude, and we're going to go into that and then just put that all over the crease and basically on the eye just as a base. First impression on these brushes, they are so soft. They are very, very soft. And this shade, I'm not really seeing it very well, but the reason why is because it's like my skin color. That's why I'm not seeing it very well. So if you can see it, let me know, but I do not see it all that well, but I'm not shocked. So next, I'm going to go into the shade Turned On right here, and we are going to just deepen up that crease a little bit. Okay, Okay, this is blending out really nicely as well. I'm really happy about that. And these brushes seem to be doing a really good job. They're so soft. I mean, they're so soft. So far, so good. And I feel like Morphe palettes have gotten better as time has gone on. I never thought they were bad or anything, but like even compared to like the Happy Hour palette, like the 15H palette, I believe that's what it's called. Like these are even blending out better than that palette. So we got that laid down, just kind of darkened it up just a little bit. So next what we're gonna do is I'm gonna go into the shade Vixen right here. This one, let's go into that, and we are going to put that on the crease using the same brush in the crease, but we're going to put it a little bit lower than where we just put that turned on shade. So if you can see, we're not taking it up here anymore. We're keeping it pretty low, almost on the lid. And this palette does not have very much fallout that I've noticed so far, just in these matte shades anyways. And that's pretty much it, you guys. I really have not had to go in multiple times or get a bunch of product. This brush so far is really working wonders for me right now. So, and then we're gonna go into the shade. Actually gonna go, I don't know how this is gonna look. I really don't. I don't know what this is gonna look like. I don't know if it's gonna look weird or if it's gonna actually like come together, but I kind of want to go into this, I don't know. Let's do it. I'm gonna go into this shade called Seduced, this purple right here, and we're going to concentrate that just on the outer corner. Like, do I want to do that? I don't know. No, I don't. I'm gonna go into this one actually. This one is called Wild Thing. I'm actually gonna go into this because I feel like it would complement that Heartbreaker shade a bit more. I'm gonna go into that one. I'm actually gonna use a Morphe brush for this because I love this brush. This is a Morphe M506. So I'm going to switch over to that really quick, and we're going to focus this on the outer corner. We don't want to bring it up too far because, for one, I don't want this to turn into just a cranberry look. I want this to be something different, you know? So outer corner, and then just blend it into the crease ever so slightly. So there we go. We're going to leave it like that, and then we're going to go into this Heartbreaker shade. I'm so excited. We're going to, and just by the way, it's this one right here. Boop, boop. That one. I'm going to take this on not a Morphe brush, or actually, let me try. I can try this brush from Bad Habit. If that one doesn't work, then I'm going to use this one just because they're kind of similar, but I like the shape of this one a little bit more for some reason. I don't know why, but let me try it with this one first. I'm going to use a little bit of the Smashbox Primer Water to wet the brush with, and then we are going to go ahead and go in to that shade. It picked up nicely on the brush. I like the color, but I think this brush may be a smidgen too dense. Let me try the other one. This one has a little bit more of like a flexibility to it. Yeah, that one works better. I like that other brush, but this one just has a little more flexibility to where you can actually get more product on the brush. But this shade though, this shade is stunning. I love this color. My hair is really dirty. I am obsessed with this color. I think it looks great with what we put with it. I like this brush right here. I just think it's a little too dense for what I was trying to do a second ago. Where is... I'm going to go back into that cranberry shade and deepen up the outer corners just a tiny bit more. Just blend it out, just like that. So that's what we're going to do for the eye, and then I'm going to go ahead and take I'm going to try this brush actually. I'm going to do this one. This is the number 4 brush by Bad Habit, and this is the like a tiny domed kind of like smudger brush, and we're going to go into these 2 shades right here. So it's Wild Thing and In the Zone. We haven't used In the Zone yet, so this one and this one. So I'm going to pick up both of those on this brush and go on the lower lash line. Alrighty, just like that. I'm going to also take the Morphe M506 again and pick a little bit more up and just kind of blend them out. Awesome. So that is that. I love this. I think this is stunning, and it's very simple. Like, it's not like super intense. I don't know. But let's go ahead. I'm going to go ahead and put on some liner, which of course, if you know me at all, I have the Tarte Sex Kitten liner right here. I need to branch out and get more liner, but haven't. Awesome. So we got that lined, and now we're going to actually go in with a new mascara that I've tried a couple times and I like it a lot so far. It's the NARS Climax mascara. A lot of people have been talking about this. A lot of people apparently really love it. So we're going to go in with this and put a layer on the top and bottom lashes. Alright, there we go. And you guys, I may break out into some actual lashes here. I got 2 pairs of lashes, if you saw in my last video, the Ulta haul, and I really want to try to use them. I don't know how to put on lashes though, you guys. I have no clue how to put them on, but I'm gonna at least give it a shot. I'm gonna go put one on and then I'll come back if I get it on.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
Okay, I got them on. I don't even want to tell you how long that took, you guys. I'm not used to putting on lashes at all, and I may have done some mistakes. This is my first time putting on lashes. Okay, it's my second time putting on lashes ever, so I probably did some mistakes. But the lashes that I'm using, I used one pair of, okay, so they look really weird to me because I'm not used to having them on. So I am using the House of Lashes, and these are in the style Juliette right here. I used the Lily lashes before, like I have them over here, and I tried them first. I used the Lily lashes in the style Miami, and they were like, whew, and I was, it looks weird to me because I'm not used to it, but I asked my mom if they look stupid and she said no, so I'm gonna take her word for it. But Lord knows, the second, like once I get used to them, I'm gonna be like, oh my god, they look fabulous. But you guys, that's gonna be it for the eye look. I'm gonna go ahead and do my other eye off camera, and then I'll come back to you for lipstick. And you guys, I'm back. So I did my other eye off camera, and you guys, I am obsessed with these lashes. I love them. So I think I showed you this before. They are the House of Lashes in the style Juliette. Okay, so like I said before, I'm not used to wearing these false lashes, so they look a little off to me. They look odd, you know, because I'm not used to wearing them. But as I was doing my other eye, and I was looking at this eye, and then I got the other eye done, and then I put them on the other eye, I love these. I love these ones so much. I'm gonna go back and try the other ones again because I have the the Lily lashes. I have the style Miami and the style Mykonos. So I'm gonna try those as well. I know those two in particular are like loved lashes. They're like cult classics. They're like favorited lashes. So I'm gonna go back and try those, but right now I'm loving these right here. I really do, and I love this look. I did my other eye off camera, as you know. I did my liner, lashes, all that good stuff, and then I went ahead and put on my lipstick. I used the Hank & Henry. I've used this multiple times on this channel, you guys. I used the Hank & Henry matte liquid lipstick in the shade Petal Pusher. This one right here. It's a beautiful lip color. I absolutely love it. I think it goes really well with the eye look today. Yeah. But you guys, that is going to be the eye look slash tutorial slash review on this Morphe palette. On these shades that I did use today, I really found blendable. I thought they worked really well. I thought they were really pretty. This Heartbreaker shade, you guys, I'm literally obsessed with. I love this shade. I don't know if you can really see it. Like, one thing I noticed that whenever people wear lashes, or whenever I'm wearing lashes right now, it's kind of hard to see like the shadow because it kind of covers it up. I don't know. I love this look. I'm obsessed with it. I think it's beautimous. But yeah, you guys, that's going to be the video for today. I really hope that you did enjoy it. If you did, then go ahead and pick up that like button for me and subscribe if you want to. If you want to see the videos that I post, and when I post them, click the little bell down at the bottom there. Again, my name is Kenzie. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you on Sunday. Bye-bye.